Hello viewers, welcome to INNOVATE teaching channel. In this video, I am going to provide you basic information about CTET. Guys, what is CTET? CTET stands for Central Teacher Eligibility Test. It was conducted by Central Board of Secondary Education, New Delhi. In this video, I am going to discuss many different aspects like mode of submission of application, eligibility, content of CTET, nature and standard of questions given in the exam, language of question paper, what are the qualifying marks of CTET, applicability of CTET certificate, what is the validity period of CTET certificate, how should we get e-admit card and CTET certificate and marks sheet. What is the syllabus of CTET, both paper 1 and paper 2? What are the exam centers for CTET exam? And what rules and regulations should be followed in CTET exam? Come on, let's see what. See, this is the official website of CTET. I'm going to provide you the link in the description box. You can click for more details apart from these details. When you visit the official website, you can see the information bulletin of CTET for many years. If you click on any one, you could get all the details. Friends, let us see what is the syllabus of CTET paper 1 and paper 2. I am also providing you the link in the description box for the CTET whole syllabus in the PDF form. Let's view the exam centers of CTET. Let's see what are the rules and regulations of CTET. Okay friends, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. I'm signing off.